bouquet, and also our Karbi Choi, Karbi jacket, traditional Karbi jacket is being presented to him by our Honorable CM Sir, along with a Karbi bag called Jamborong, and also with the Karbi Poho. Alongside a beautiful Jambeli is being presented by our Honorable CM Sir to our Honorable Minister.
All ground reality reports. Because already we had several meetings, review meetings in Delhi. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in 2015 he continued the footsteps taken by Deve Gowda ji when he was Prime Minister. Then after Vajpayee ji, Deve Gowda ji when first come to Northeastern state when he was Prime Minister, 6 days he stayed here. At that time several decision was taken by the then Prime Minister Deve Gowda ji at time. Then what happened actually, Vajpayee ji continued the decision taken by a visit of Deve Gowda at that time. At that time, what they have taken the decision, every month from central government, 3 secretaries level officers, they must visit the northeastern region and look after the development of the northeastern region. What are the lacunas are there? For that, the remedy, what is the remedy? All those things to get the information. Central government decided in 1996 to send central government's secretary level officers. That continued. Then after Narendra Modi ji came to power, he deputed the central ministers to visit every month one minister to the northeastern regions and mix with the common man, mix with several organizations, collect all information, even addressing the officers meeting, what are all the issues are there, collecting those issues, we have to convey to the Prime Minister's office. This is the culture continuing from last 10-15 years. On that basis only, first time fixed the time in July month. But what happened actually, because of rain, I deferred my program. Today, yesterday, I am traveling northeastern region. Yesterday I visited Nagaland. There I met our Dinapur, actually our Chief Minister also I met him. Yesterday we discussed several issues. He also advised me about the development which he has given the representative to the central government. All those things he shared his opinion with me yesterday's meeting. Today I visited this our CCI plant and take all information. Then here the local authority which was formulated in 1974, that committee executives also they came and met with me and they have given one representation about 3 subjects. Then particularly our Deputy Speaker from early morning, he is joining with me. He is giving all information to get the problem issues. He is actually feeding feedback, giving the feedback from morning. He shared several issues. Even Kendriya Vidyalaya issue also, our Honorable Deputy Speaker discussed with me. Even I visited the local hospital. There also request is there for one ambulance with ventilator adoption. All those things they have given the representation. I'm getting all information. Tomorrow also I'm visiting Arunachal Pradesh. Then day of tomorrow Guwahati I'm visiting. After getting all information, whatever the issues which has the feedback taken by these local officers and ministers, MLAs, I will convey the message to the central government, not only the central government, but ministers, concerned ministers. I will try to get some relief for the development of this area.
After the visiting of CCI, have you seen is the condition of CCI is really good?
Condition is bad, brother, I know. That's why actually, because this unit was established in 1971. Our former President of India, then Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad was the foundation. 1974 it has started. But from 1974, we have not modified the unit. No upgradation. All those things I have seen today.
In 2010, CCI gave a tender to some Promec, the name called Promec. And they started the project, but in the midway. That must be like expandation to 600 metric ton to 1200 metric ton. But the work was stopped midway. Why is that?
No, that is actually, I am not concerned about 2010 issue. We are actually, I am taking the charge of heavy industries. This CCA also comes under my department. We had several meetings in Delhi. How to expand it, modify the unit. All those things we are already working out. The fresh unit will require. If infusing huge money, for that how to organize the money, then how to establish re-establishment of the modified unit here. All those things we are working out. These are preliminary stage. Give me another mostly 3-4 months time, you will get good news. Several huge natural resources are there. We are not properly utilizing. I also know that. We properly bring all kind of infrastructure with the cooperation of the local organizations, common man. We can develop in a big way. There is a good possibilities in northeastern region to develop, and even the country's growth also by properly utilizing this